What are we doing, Morgan?
Cheese.
What are we doing? What's this called? What are we doing staying here?
Say tent.
Tent.
Are we camping?
Yep.
Can you say camping?
Gummy.
What are we doing, Mommy?
Camping.
Camping.
Cheese.
This is roughing it.
Yep, we're in our tent.
Cheese.
There's our campsite.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese. Money. Cheese.
Someone thinks she has a trampoline right here.
Here, honey, I'll do that.
No, I almost got it. I gotta do it now.
Cheese. Cheese.
Cheese.
Are you videoing me?
Mm-hmm.
Duck.
No videoing you?
Yeah.
Okay. There's our wood pile. The trees, the dead trees we cut down. And there's our breakfast table. And there's where we are.
Careful, you're gonna get hurt. Yes, you are if you're not careful.
Ruin it. Papa forget his job.
Here, honey.
What am I doing?
Hold it.
Okay.
Cheese, 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 cheese.
What are you doing?
No,
Hmm? Honey, wait. Put this in your bag. Now you can take a night-night.